Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to not only talk about the power affirmations, but we're actually going to go through affirmations for health and well-being, because what we think about, our secret thoughts, what we focus on, our mindset, our self-talk becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. And it's very interesting when you think about the placebo effect, that if a patient or if someone thinks that they're taking a medication that's going to help them heal or help them in some way, that they get results even when they are taking the placebo. So it's really the self-talk, it's whatever our beliefs are. And many times we're focusing on the negative and we're thinking about the worst outcome. So what we can do is we can train our mind to think about the positive outcome. And then when we focus on the positive, then we're more likely to have a positive outcome. So I actually have these affirmations, and if you'd like a copy of these affirmations, you can click the link below and I'll send them to you. So we're going to start with, and I invite you, if you'd like, you can close your eyes and you can listen to these affirmations, but I also invite you to say them out loud with me. It's not just about saying the words, it's about putting the emotions into the words so that you actually feel it, that you embody these words, and they can go deep into your subconscious mind. So we're going to begin with, my body is completely healthy now. My body is completely healthy now. And as you start to say it, you will notice that your state starts to change, the physiology of your physical body. You start to feel more confident. My body is completely healthy now. I visualize my body in perfect health. And then allow that moment so that you can actually visualize your body in perfect health. I visualize my body in perfect health. I eat natural foods that are good for my body. I eat natural foods that are good for my body. And then you might think about what some of those foods are, and it may inspire you to put together a shopping list, or to go to the grocery store, or to eat some vegetables that you have in your refrigerator. I eat natural foods that are good for my body. My body is attuned to optimal health. My body and my mind are attuned to optimal health. So that way you're syncing up what you think about with your physical body. Every day, in every way, I grow healthier and stronger. Every day, in every way, I grow healthier and stronger. And just even saying those words can make you begin to feel it, because you're taking your belief system, you're taking limiting beliefs, and then you're starting to change them into possibilities and seeing your health optimized. I am healthy, whole, and complete. I am healthy, I am whole, and I am complete. I love and honor my physical body. I love, honor, and respect my physical body. You add respect in there, you honor your body, then you take good care of your body, you exercise, you make good decisions around your health and well-being. I give my body ample amounts of sunshine, water, and fresh green vegetables. I give my body ample amounts of sunshine, water, and fresh green vegetables. I enjoy eating the food that is best for my body. I enjoy eating the food that is best for my body. I hydrate daily and feel totally refreshed. I hydrate daily and feel totally refreshed. It's really important to get into the feeling. When you're speaking your affirmations, you want to feel it as if it's true. The subconscious mind doesn't know if something is real or imagined, and it takes it as absolute. And then where there's a gap, it starts to close that gap so that it can be true. I see myself completely healthy always. My body heals itself easily and rapidly. I am grateful for my healthy body. I choose happiness and health in my life. I enjoy being healthy, happy, and whole. I am grateful for the healing that is happening in my body. My immune system is strong and durable. My immune system is strong and durable. I have vibrant health. I have vibrant health. And you might start to visualize all of your systems and all of your organs and all of your cells optimizing and communicating with one another and being filled with good health from the inside out. Thank you for my healthy heart. Thank you for my healthy organs. Thank you for my strong arms, strong legs, and my strong back. Thank you for my healthy bones. Thank you for my fit body. Thank you for my mobility and flexibility. Every day, my body grows stronger. I visualize my body in perfect health. I am strong, healthy, and energetic. I eat healthy food. My mind is always attuned to healthy thoughts. I love every cell in my body. I grow healthier and stronger every day. I am well, I am strong, I am healthy, and I am whole. And you can say that with every fiber of your being. I am well, I am strong, I am healthy, and I am whole. My body is in perfect health now. I love my body and my body loves me. I love, honor, and respect my body. I make good decisions about what I eat and make choices that will keep my body lean, strong, and healthy always. I have abundant energy, vitality, and well-being. I am healthy in all aspects of my life, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. I am powerful and courageous because I know I control the decisions I make around my well-being. I focus on the positive aspects of my body and love all that I am. I am filled with energy to do all of the daily activities in my life. I love, nurture, and care for my body, and my body nurtures me. And so I invite you to listen to these affirmations, to write them out, to speak them out, to embody them, to listen to them every day for 21 days. It takes 21 days to create a new way of thinking, new habits, a new way of being, and being the best and happiest and healthiest version of ourselves. It's our birthright. You are deserving, you are worthy, and I honor you for being here. I am really honored to be connected to you. I invite you, if you're not connected, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube station, I invite you to subscribe here. I upload new videos in the area of lifestyle design, personal growth, and entrepreneurship. And it's my intention that you love your life and rock your business.